Hey guys, and welcome to Explicit Wellness. Yes, today, I hope everyone is feeling well. I'm doing good myself. But today we're going to do a detox bath, okay? So let's take a detox bath today, okay? I'm going to tell you something about a detox bath before we all get started because there may be sensitivity and things like that. So this is a detox bath and it consists of various ingredients, okay, that will aid the well-being. Now, the first thing we're going to be using, a 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt, okay. We're gonna need that Epsom salt right here. That's 1 cup. You can use 2 cups. I have already put my water, hot water, in my tub, so y'all know to do that, okay? The next thing we're going to be needing is, well, let me tell you about the Epsom salt because a lot of people don't know about what these different things that are going to be in our detox bath. So let me tell you about the Epsom salt first, okay? It has magnesium. It helps relax the muscles, okay, reduce inflammation, and ease aches and pains, and draws out detoxins, okay? Detox, okay, out your body, throughout your skin. Okay, now the next ingredient we will be needing is baking soda. 1 to 2 cups of that. Okay, you're gonna be needing baking soda. There's your baking soda. I'm gonna put a cup in there. Say 1 to 2 cups. Okay, let's see, can we get a cup out of this one? It's a small one. Okay, 1 to 2 cups of baking soda. You can use any brand you want. Okay, I'm not getting a cup. I'm getting 3/4 of a cup, so that's fine. Okay, and if it's your first time doing detox too, you don't have to use a cup or 1 cup because you want to be easy, and then you can go harder the next time and use more ingredients. Okay, baking soda helps to alkalize your body. Okay, that can boost the immune system, so we love that. And it is a natural exfoliant also. And I know about that because I use it on my face when I do my facials and things like that. Yes, it's an exfoliant. Okay, now next we're going to be using Bentonite Clay. You're going to use 1/4 to a cup of that, okay? Bentonite Clay. So let's get that. This is your Bentonite Clay here. Okay, the Indians used it a long time ago. Okay, this is a cleanser. It's a deep cleanser. Okay, we're gonna be using 1/4 cup of that. 1/4 cup. Okay, I used a 1/2 cup of that, so I'm gonna put that in there also. Okay, bentonite is known for its ability to draw out heavy metals and other toxins, and it will firm the body also, okay? It cleans all the heavy metals out your body and other toxins from your body, okay? Now, the next ingredient we're going to be needing is the apple cider vinegar. Put you some apple cider vinegar in there. 1 to 2 cups apple cider vinegar. 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. We're using 1 cup. Okay. I can't talk today. Apple cider vinegar, it helps the pH balance, and it aids in detoxification and soothes skin conditions. So it helps with the balance, that pH. We need that. And it's a detoxification, detox. Okay, now we're using essential oil. You can use how many drops you want in this essential oil. I'm using lavender. You can use other essential oils. Okay, get your dropper and however many drops you would like. And my detox bath smells so good, you all. Smells so good because I put that Dr. Teal's foaming bath in there also, lavender. Okay, it soothes and helps nourish the body. Okay, with a gentle cleanse. So I like this. So I put some more in there. Yes. Now make sure your water is hot. You want to make sure your water is very hot. Okay. You can boil some water, however you want. Okay. But that essential oil, it can aid in a therapeutic. Okay. That's what it helps. That's the benefit of it. It aids in the therapeutic. Okay. And it also will relax and soothe your skin. Okay. Before you all do this detox, make sure you are hydrated with plenty of water. And after this detox, you want to make sure that you also are hydrated with water, okay? Because remember, it's detoxifying our body. It's also taking out the toxins out of our body, okay? So, yeah, I hope you all will try this detox bath because we need to do one every year or every 6 months, I would say. But it's to you, your preference. But I thank you all for tuning into Explicit Wellness, and I hope you all will try this detox bath out and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And you all have a great rest of the day.